Ever wondered why Thailand is called the land of smiles and what makes it a magnet for adventurers from around the globe? Get ready to explore not just the iconic temples and pristine beaches, but also the bustling streets, vibrant night markets, and electrifying nightlife that keep this country buzzing 24/7. What you might not know is that beneath all this excitement, there's a darker side that people rarely see. Have you ever heard of the term ladyboy or ping pong shows? Then join us, because in this video, you'll find out the country's hidden gems and be amazed by what happens after dark. Thailand isn't just a place to visit, it's a whole different world, especially its islands, which are a perfect example. There are so many islands that it would take us at least 4 hours just to explore a third of them. In this video, we'll take a look at some of these incredible islands, starting with Phuket. Thailand's largest island is a paradise blending stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rich history. Beyond its renowned beaches like Patong and Kamala, Phuket offers a glimpse into its past through historical sites like the Old Town, showcasing Sino-Portuguese architecture and vibrant markets. History lovers can explore the island's diverse cultural heritage at museums and temples such as Wat Chalong and the Big Buddha. Dive into Phuket's rich past with visits to the Thalang National Museum and the historic Phuket town, offering a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern allure, making it a truly unforgettable destination. Heading to Koh Phi Phi is famous for its stunning natural beauty. With crystal-clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and towering limestone cliffs, it's a paradise for snorkelers and divers. The main island, Phi Phi Don, offers a lively atmosphere with bustling markets, bars, and restaurants, while the smaller Phi Phi Leha boasts pristine beaches and secluded coves, including the iconic Maya Bay. And for lovers of luxury, welcome to Koh Samui. Thailand's second-largest island is known for its palm-fringed beaches, coconut groves, and dense, mountainous rainforest. The island is home to luxury resorts, spas, and a vibrant nightlife scene. Popular beaches include Chaveng, Lame, and Beaufort, known for their white sands and clear waters. The interior of the island features waterfalls, temples, and the iconic 12-meter-tall Big Buddha statue. The language, vibrant colors, exotic aromas, religious devotion, and local customs can cause culture shocks. Even though it's one of the most popular tourist destinations, not everyone speaks English in Thailand. This can sometimes lead to a small language barrier in certain situations. Thai cuisine is a delightful mix of flavors and textures, blending spicy, sweet, sour, and salty tastes in dishes that are as visually appealing as they are delicious. It's known for its use of fresh ingredients like lemongrass, coconut milk, and Thai chilies, as well as a variety of herbs and spices. Pad Thai is a popular Thai dish consisting of stir-fried rice noodles, eggs, tofu, shrimp, or chicken, mixed with a tamarind-based sauce. It's typically served with lime wedges, chopped peanuts, coriander, and bean sprouts on the side. Thai cuisine uses rice in various forms. Rice is a fundamental ingredient in Thai cuisine, serving as a staple food and a key component in many dishes. Jasmine rice, known for its delicate fragrance and slightly sticky texture, is the most common variety used. Apart from steamed rice, Thais prepare sticky rice, often served with grilled meats or mangoes and coconut milk. Rice flour is also used in desserts and snacks, showcasing the versatility of this grain in Thai cooking. Thailand offers an exotic experience with insects such as crickets, grasshoppers, silkworms, and bamboo worms. Insects are typically deep-fried or roasted and seasoned with spices, salt, or sugar to enhance their flavor. They are high in protein and are a sustainable food source, which is one reason for their popularity in many cultures, including Thailand. In Thai country, the streets are filled with cabs in vibrant colors. The most common taxi color is bright pink, but you can also find taxis in other colors like green, yellow, blue, and red. The colorful taxis, along with the bustling streets and lively atmosphere, add to the vibrant and energetic vibe of Thailand's urban areas. Buddhism plays a central role in Thai culture and daily life, with the majority of Thais practicing Theravada Buddhism. Monks, as the primary practitioners of Buddhism, hold a revered place in society. They lead religious ceremonies, provide guidance to the community, and are often seen collecting alms in the mornings. The most famous temples are Wat Phra Kaew, Wat Pho, and Wat Arun. It is customary to remove your shoes before entering a temple in Thailand. This is a sign of respect for the sacred space. Most temples will have a designated area where you can leave your shoes before entering. It's a good idea to wear easily removable footwear when visiting temples to make this process more convenient. All in all, who wouldn't smile in such a place? Smiling is not just a facial expression but also a form of communication. It can convey various meanings, including politeness, happiness, agreement, or even an apology. The Thai smile is often described as the land of smiles, reflecting the warm and welcoming nature of the people. This cultural emphasis on smiling contributes to Thailand's reputation as a hospitable and friendly destination. If you're not into eating, praying, or swimming in Thailand, you'll find plenty of lively nightlife. Thailand is known for its parties, bars, and nightclubs where tourists can enjoy drinks and dancing into the early hours. Alcohol is readily available, and the nightlife scene is a big draw for many visitors to the country. The Full Moon Party is a famous event that takes place on Ha Drin Beach on the island of Koh Pha Nagan in Thailand. It is a large beach party that occurs every month on the night of the full moon. The party started in the late 1980s and has since become a major attraction, drawing thousands of tourists from around the world. The Full Moon Party is known for its lively atmosphere, with music, dancing, and entertainment lasting throughout the night with lots of drinking. When it comes to energy drinks, did you know that Red Bull was actually invented in Thailand? That's right. In 1970, a man named Chaleo Uvidya created an energy drink called Krating Dang, which means Red Bull in Thai. It became popular among truck drivers and night workers in Thailand. Austrian businessman Dietrich Mishitz discovered Kroing Deng. He contacted Chalo with the idea of bringing of this energy drink to the rest of the world. Together they founded Red Bull, which is a powerful energy drink across the globe. Well, back to Thailand's dark side, which is a concern for local authorities who are trying to preserve the country's image: the issue of prostitution, which has become a kind of tourist attraction in the Asian country. The increase in prostitution can lead to higher crime rates, including the exploitation of minors and slavery. In places like Patpong, a famous nightlife area in Bangkok, many foreign men and women visit, leading to questions about why this is happening if it's illegal. The answer is complex. While it's not socially accepted, prostitution has been a traditional practice in Thailand for centuries. Historical records show this, even though it's not officially condoned. In the early 1400s, a Chinese traveler named M.H. Wan mentioned prostitution in Thailand. From 1351 to 1767, during the Ayutthaya reign, prostitution became legal and was taxed. In 1908, a law regulated brothels, requiring them to be registered and have signs indicating their services. Even today, advertising is done using billboards. Since the Vietnam War, Thailand has been known as a destination for sex tourism. In 1960, a law tried to ban prostitution, with fines and jail time. In 1996, the law was changed to also punish clients and address issues like slave labor. Today, these places are called massage parlors or entertainment bars, and some politicians support them. Chu Chalam, who was a big part of this industry, has admitted in 2003 to be paying bribes to politicians and police officers to keep his business running. Today, Pattaya is known as the sex capital of Thailand. Many travelers flock to this art to see the famous ping pong show's pompous display in which women perform various tricks using their vaginal muscles to eject objects, such as ping pong balls, from their bodies, daring customers to hit them with the paddle. And that's just the beginning. The peculiar feats performed by these women are varied, throwing darts, opening bottles, blowing candles, among other skills. In 2018, the city received approximately 1 million visitors for these services. The so-called lady boys are in great demand. The shows and services they offer are diverse, and if you wonder what lady boy is, the non-literal English translation of Kathoey, including trans women and effeminate gay men. Unlike in some countries, lady boys are widely accepted in Thai society. This acceptance is rooted in Buddhism, which recognizes three genders: male, female, and Kathoey. Buddhists believe Kathoey are considered as consequences of karma, so it's important to treat them with compassion following the fundamental principles of Buddhism. Did you know about these secrets of Thailand? Tell us which one surprised you the most. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.